Hello students, this is Sumina, your art teacher. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a spirograph pattern art. So I just let you know what is spirograph pattern. So when we used one color with 2 point side in a circle crossing each other, that creates a geometrical spirograph design. So for this you need compass, pencil and a scale or one white sheet, or you can use any color sketch pen instead of pencil, but make sure you have to use only one color. Like if you want green color, then you use only green color entire the picture. Do not use the varieties of colors. So let's get started. At first you have to draw a big circle. First open your compass like this and make a big circle. Just like this. Now move to the next step. Then open your compass about 1 centimeter and mark your circle like this. You have to mark the entire circle. Just like this. After mark the dot from the entire circle, now move to the next step. For the another step, we have to take one scale and I'll take one blue sketch pen. You can take any other color, but only single color. Just take a scale and take any single dot, any other, which one you want. I'm taking this one and just draw a line. I'm showing to you. Meet this point to every single dot over here, just like that. You have to do like this. Then the third step, again take scale and take another point. Like I'm taking this point, just near to the previous point. And then again do the same process like which we done previously. Meet every single point. After complete this process, you will get this kind of circle. After complete the third step, now I just let you know how to fill it. I'm just give you an example in another side. Like suppose this is your circle type, okay, and there are these crisscross boxes you have in your circle, and just if you fill one box like this, just like if you fill one box, any box, you can take any one box, and you are just do the process accordingly. Like you fill one box, then move to the opposite of the box, not the besides of the box. Don't do shade on this side, just do the opposite sides like this. Yes, if you do the size of the box, you can get, I'm just showing you, see, it's not the correct way. The correct way is just fill your box opposite sides, 1, 2, then this box opposite is this one, yes, and another side this one, another side this one. If this box will be shaded, then its opposite side is this one. Okay, so let's get start with the circle. First we will take, suppose we take this box, then I shade the opposite box just like this. Hope you understand. Now fill your circle, the entire circle like this. The opposite is this one. When you do this, you will get automatically know that which box you have to fill. Just keep shading. Now, after fill this circle, you will get this picture. At the end, you will get your spirograph pattern ready.